So I'm going to pop down now to the engine yard, which is the bottom of the castle drive, and have a look at this retail village that is in the process of being done up as we speak. It's a wonderful complex of buildings. I'm very excited about opening our first retail village here at Belvoir, and well, come with me and see what you think. So what I'm doing now is just going to see if it looks to me as if we are going to be on time to open, because, you know, all falls on our head if it's not ready, and I'll have some very angry tenants, so this is when the Duchess really gets out her stick. This is the building which I'm rather hoping I might save, and we might open a country wear ladies' clothes shop. But it's not really looking like this at the moment. As you can see, you need a lot of imagination at the moment because it doesn't look very enticing. Strip lights and, well, who knows? They may find this sort of thing very enticing. But anyway, a lot of work to do before March. What we need to do is just walk round the site telling me where we're getting to. Okay?
Yep.
So should we start with the garden centre?
Yes.
So this is going to be the garden, it's Matt, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Matt, this is the garden centre. You've had to totally re-roof this, haven't you?
Absolutely. You can see, still drying out a little bit.
Wow. That has made so much better. You're going to keep the walls exposed now with the brick?
Yeah, it's got to be shot blasted again because there's
Yeah.
still parts that haven't quite come off as
Yeah.
we like them.
Yeah. And then the floor, we want to keep these tiles because I know you've got to put a different floor down.
Yes.
But you'll save everything, won't you? And this is where the garden centre will be going down into garden houses at the back for all the plants.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
But what a great view that'll have. But these are the buildings I love down here. So the beauty spa is down at the back. I think this is the cycle shop here. And
Mind the splashes.
yeah. And cook shop at the end.
Yeah.
But isn't that a lovely complex of buildings? And there's the farm shop building there in the centre.
Yeah.
And they want a wine cellar down below. I love the fact that we've kept all these old beams, aren't they fabulous?
Everything's been restored, brickwork, everything.
Nothing's being, yeah.
It's all being reused, which is really, really good.
And we don't know what that is, but it looks as if it's all marble. Yeah, we didn't know that was there. So it's amazing what you find. And I rather love this. This is from the old golf course. So 150 yards.
We've got loads of those.
Have you?
Yeah.
Well, I want to keep all those.
They've all been saved.
So using old bricks everywhere, and you'll be sandblasting this building as well, I guess. Yeah. And I think they're going to have a Turkish spa at the back there, aren't they?
Right, yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
Thanks, Matt. So nice to see you.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
We'll keep kicking on. We've got March to finish it, so you've got to kick on now.
Kick on, yeah.
What's really amazing about this whole range of buildings, it was built by the Victorians to be the engine yard. So it was the workplace for all the work that was done on the estate. And the entire time that I can remember being here at Belvoir, there's been a wonderful team of carpenters who all worked in this building here called, this was the carpenter's workshop. And the smell in here is just years and years of sawdust, and it's great for me to think and imagine it's all going to come to life now with local produce that's produced, hopefully in the surrounding areas, all being sold in this building. There's a church pew that's come out of Walsall Church, but it's riddled with woodworm, so we're just restoring it. We'll use that somewhere. There's beds, and still carpentry work. For some reason, they just love working in here, but you can feel the excitement of this room. When you look up at these beams, there would have been 8 to 10 people working throughout the 2 levels on this space. And now we've outsourced all that work to local people. So although we don't have our own works department anymore, we have our own in-house team, but they're all people out of Grantham. I insist on us always using local produce, local people. That's what a community is.